Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Moran Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your different driving modes in your 2020 Lexus NX300. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the gear shifter, and on the left hand side of this gear shifter, there is a button right here, which is a turn knob style. And once you do, it's gonna give you three options. First, it's gonna go automatically to normal when you first start up the car. But if you want to turn it up a notch, have a sporty driving, turn the knob to counterclockwise and it should go to sport mode as it indicates on the center dash. And basically what happens on sport mode is it gives you more of a sporty driving. The engine and transmission, they act a little bit quicker, therefore giving you the best performance you can get into these Lexus NX300. And if you want to go to eco, go all the way to the left, and same as sport but complete opposite. It makes sure that the engine and transmission is always at its most efficient state, therefore giving you the best gas mileage. If you want to go back to normal, just press on it and you will be back in normal mode. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Moran Acura, and thank you guys for watching.